Good morning. Well, it's Thursday. Wow, what is up with my voice? Headed to the cidery. Have some maintenance. It's been a huge maintenance week, 2 weeks. Both forklifts went down. I have 3 forklifts. One has been great. I shouldn't even say that out loud. It's in our secondary warehouse where we do our aging and store our cans. And that one goes really well, 99% of the time. The outdoor forklift went. The indoor forklift had a main failure with the lift. And so I had people, got some video of that I'll post, but I had people in for hours repairing that. So it's been an expensive couple of weeks. Now I'm headed down to replace the outdoor speakers on the patio, which for some weird reason both went at the same time. And I gotta say, I don't like telling anyone not to support a company, but the Sonance speakers, which are somehow associated with Sonos, I think it's a different company or a subsidiary or something. Man, the quality on these speakers for the price is just not there. I've replaced, this will be my 6th speaker between Sonance and Sonos. And so, man, they're too expensive to go out as quickly as they do. Now, I will say this last patio set lasted about 2 years. But still, I mean, they were $400 a piece or something, $390. So, all right, so we're going down and we're going to install. I have 1 speaker in the back, so I'm only going to put up 1 and not 2. And then I guess maybe what I'll try to do is find a cheap one on Amazon or something like that, because I'm tired of spending money on this stuff. All right, new speaker coming up. What's happening?
Check this out. This looks so good.
Yeah, I went with white.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Oh dear.
There we go. You're in
we're
candy
famous.
camera. Yeah, but they've been hanging on for 2 years. I mean, why would they both? Literally, I think that amp might have fallen off the wall. And now the amp is messed up. That's what I'm gonna figure out today. Oh gosh, jeez. Okay. That's a good way to do it. Lost my mic here. Try that again. Okay. Let's try to do this without getting hurt. These ladders. I'm not sure I needed one so heavy. So like I said, these speakers went out. Not impressed. Really not. These are my 4th replacements. Well, 2nd time replacing 4 speakers. And I only have money for 1 more, which I had bought. Gosh, I guess I bought this a while ago. It's been sitting in my garage. So now we're going to be down to 1 speaker out here, which is an issue. I'm wondering if it's not the speakers, it might be the amp inside. The amp might have fallen off the table, which seriously sucks because Sonos amps are crazy expensive. I'm not sure worth the money, but that's a whole nother story. Probably have gotten my screwdriver with me, but let's see if we can make this happen somehow. Oh man, all right, let's try this again. I just Googled how to take these brackets off. It's supposed to be very easy. On my third try. And I'm not buying that it's easy at all. Yeah, no. This is not gonna be easy. Doesn't help that my ladder is all jacked either. Might need to go get a... Yeah. I think I need a screwdriver.
This is the DJI Mic 2, a wireless microphone transmitter that comes with the DJI
Got my instructions. Let's see if this thing's still active tracking.
And I've gotten a lot of questions in the comments about the DJI Mic 2 in particular.
Yep.
So I thought I'd do
Boom,
a dedicated
boom.
video, like
Boom,
an
boom.
FAQ,
Active track.
answering your frequently asked questions.
Okay, got that. Screwdriver. This will work. Gotta make this fast because I got pickleball match coming up here. This really shouldn't be this difficult. I feel like I have a tendency to make things more challenging than they need to be. Is this seriously still not gonna happen? Come on, bro. Go to your home. This is wild. What is going on here? There's one. This is a little crazy here. My ladder is too tall to get in there. This really shouldn't be that hard.
This is the DJI Mic 2, a wireless microphone transmitter that comes with the DJI
Got my instructions. Let's see if this thing's still active tracking.
And I've gotten a lot of questions in the comments about the DJI Mic 2 in particular.
Yep.
So I thought I'd do
Boom,
a dedicated
boom.
video, like
Boom,
an
boom.
FAQ,
Active track.
answering your frequently asked questions.
Okay, got that. Screwdriver. This will work. Gotta make this fast because I got pickleball match coming up here. This really shouldn't be this difficult. I feel like I have a tendency to make things more challenging than they need to be. Is this seriously still not gonna happen? Come on, bro. Go to your home. This is wild. What is going on here? There's one. This is a little crazy here. My ladder is too tall to get in there. This really shouldn't be that hard. Oh.
When you get it to the position you want it, you can't.
That's what these little. Now I remember. Oh boy. Now I remember. That and this. See if we can do this without killing myself. You gotta pull it off the wall too while you're doing this. That one already wants to come off. And so does this one. Look at that. Ah, like I said, sometimes I make easy things harder than they need to be. Whew. Yiker, yiker, yikers. New speaker. They're nice. They just don't last very long. Question is, do I take that apart? I guess I should. Might as well. But I don't know if this works, so should we figure that out first? Maybe we'll do that. And then I can take it off since I know how to now. Oh boy. Let's see. Was that how that one was? Shoot. Does it matter? Oh, so easy. Is that even gonna fit? It's not. Or no, yeah, it is. Okay. So let me get these wrapped back up. Like I said, for the money, I mean, I did get 2 years out of these. The other ones, I think it was because I did not set a maximum volume setting. And I'll tell you, when you own like a business, people just do not treat your stuff, the business's stuff, like their own. Maybe they're not supposed to, but I should have set a volume limit, is my point. And I didn't, and so they lasted not very long. So I had to replace them because I think we blew the tweeters. You want me to drink alcohol on the ladder? Yeah. What's up? What do you got? You want me to drink something bad?
Well, yeah. But you don't have to.
I know that. I've known you long enough now to know that look on your face.
You can just smell it. It's just a little soul crushing, you know?
Is it in a keg?
Both are bad.
Well, you're the head cider maker, Morgan. You make the call. What do you want me to taste it for?
Mexican. I just want you to see how, you know, you can just give it a whiff.
Okay. Let's give it a try. Should we do this on camera?
No. Just have to smell it. But
Let's
the
see.
keg is almost worse than that.
Oh, yeah. That's too bad. Not terrible, but it's not.
Yeah, it's not so cool.
Darn it.
And that's like when we tried to dose them too, to save them, to push them out a little bit longer.
Could we blend this with something and make a kitchen sink cider? I mean, it's not horrible. It's definitely not a heirloom Harrison.
Yeah.
What is that? Like a...
We've got to do some bench trials today, so I mean, we could see if we can put some like raspberry or something like that.
Well, I mean, it's not, it's just not heirloom Harrison. It's not a cellar series. Damn, that sucks. Sorry, dude. It's not your fault.
Oh, I know.
It's not your fault.
Your house was.
It's really not. gonna talk to you guys about that on Friday.
One of the warehouse ones.
Yeah, I know. Well, can we just add some stuff to it?
We'll see.
Yeah.
I'll do some mud trials today.
And if we can't, we can't. Like, it's okay. Let's not kill ourselves. We're with this spring where we are reborn again.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like the flowers on the tree.
Yeah.
Thanks, Morgan. Active track enabled. Here we go. We are going to see if the Sonos speaker is the problem or if it's the Sonos amp. God, I don't know why I'm wearing this jacket anymore too. It's gotten hot. Okay, Sonos, let's see. Can I do, gosh, am I going to get canceled on this YouTube video for playing something? Sonos radio, it's commercial radio, so I pay for this, it's licensed. Maybe we won't. Patio, apply. Damn, it was the speakers, so that works. Both speakers went at the same damn time? How's that possible? I don't get it. So that sounds good. Let me try the other one. I don't think you're going to be able to follow me all the way over here. Piece of darn gum, golly. The other thing about the patio is people put everything and anything out here you can possibly imagine. I have found just about everything out here. I won't share everything with you, but I have. Okay, no trash cans out here. Yeah, I've got to take the back off this thing. I hot wired it just to see if it was the amp or the speakers. And now we know what the issue was. It's actually good news. I'd already bought this speaker, had a warranty claim. I was smart enough to do a warranty on these initially. And this one sat in my garage for, I don't know, 2 years. Is that smart? Probably not. Can I run this through without taking these out? That's a good question. Oh boy, let's see. 1, 2, maybe? Buckle my shoe? Oh, I can. Oh, look at that. That's convenient. Nice. Okay, that's good news. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart. Okay. No, wait a minute. I'm glad I checked. It's got a lot more to come through here. There they are. Okay. Well, we have one working speaker now. Which is okay. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. Until I get some more money. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy like $100 Yamaha speaker. Because, like I said, these are too expensive. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Come on, buddy, cooperate. That thing is amazing that we still have to do this. With all the technology out there, Elon is sending people to Mars, and we're still wiring speakers. I don't know. I have the indoor Sonos inside, which are wireless, but I guess you can't do that outside for some reason. You need more power. Okay. That goes there. Well, hopefully we get... What's happened here? Hopefully we get 2 years out of this thing. Oh, man. Jeez. You in here? You put the new one in. Okay. Put the new one in. The other one might be warped. I think that's the important part of the waterproofing is this thing. Why is this not clicking now? There we go. Okay. Cover. Check. That went like this. Yeah. All right. It's clearly not a sponsored ad for Sonance. God, I can't say that, but they're good speakers when they work. I mean, they sound good. So there's that. All right. We're in the money. Or we're out of the money. But we have music, so